Come here, Caleb. Hmm? Come here, baby. Hey there, what are you doing? Uh-oh, your swings are going down. You need to go faster. Let's go faster. Let's go faster. You'll be able to do that soon, Caleb. You're just too little right now. When you're Christian's age, then you can go swinging, okay?
Hey!
Yeah.
Oh, this is slowing down. Why is it slowing down?